Here we are in the centre of the arena, and prisoner Alex is going to get into the pit.
I'm not a prisoner.
And fight the lions.
Prisoner yourself.
The lions of death.
Tomorrow.
The pit is very wet. What is the pit for?
Is the pit wooden?
Jump down and see.
You'll jump down.
See?
How do I get out? I'm the smallest.
I will help you climb
jump down
out,
and see.
or I will leave you to the lions. You should sing now.
Oh.
Go.
Oh, is it my time? It does kind of echo, doesn't it?
I don't know, sing and we'll test it.
Oh, you can sing better than me.
Bollocks. I wonder if people outside can hear us talking.
Stefania.
Go on, sing something. Oh yeah. People. Nah. Ciao. No, they didn't respond.
Well, they don't like you.
Maybe they don't know I'm talking to them.
Oh, they heard. They looked at you and they said no.
So there's the entrance, and there's some bunting. Because, you know, the arena needs some patch-up work.
This is another video.
Yeah.
Oh, get out.
It's like 1 minute 23.
I didn't know that.
Like-
Well, we've already done a video in here.
I got you galloping into the arena.
You don't know what to gallop at.
Gallop, gallop, gallop. Go on, I missed it.
Quite sandy.
Well, it is sand.
What?
Gallop.
Give you a go, I'm going to push you in there.
No.
Pushing.
Okay.
Okay.
Come on, just sing.
Oh, piss off.
I'll sing something as well
sing.
with you.
What are we going to sing?
Zombie by the Cranberries.
Zombie by the...
It's only one in my head. Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Ready? Go.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. That's all I got.